In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Instagram account. It's important to know that deactivating your account will temporarily hide your profile, photos, comments, and likes until you decide to log back in. This can be useful if you need a break from social media or have privacy concerns. So let's go through the steps together. First, open your preferred browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, or Edge, just navigate to the address bar and type in Instagram.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Instagram username and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you might have to complete that step too to ensure that your profile remains secure. Now that you're logged in, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're at your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to deactivate your account. On the Edit Profile page, scroll down to the very bottom, look closely, and you'll find the option that says Temporarily Deactivate My Account. If you're using a mobile device, this option is located just under your bio section. If you're on a desktop, you'll spot it near the bottom right corner of the page. With that option visible, Instagram will ask you to provide a reason for deactivating your account. There'll be a drop-down menu with several choices like need a break or privacy concerns. Choose the one that best fits your situation. Once you've selected a reason, Instagram will then prompt you to enter your password. This is just another step for security to make sure it's really you making this decision. Enter your password correctly to proceed. The final step is to tap or click on Temporarily Deactivate Account. Instagram will ask you to confirm this choice, and once you do, your account will be hidden temporarily. Don't worry, this doesn't mean it's gone forever. Simply log back in anytime you wish to reactivate it and resume normal activity on the platform. And there you have it. Your Instagram profile, along with all your photos and activities, is now hidden from others until you're ready to come back. Taking breaks from social media can be refreshing, and now you know how to do it with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.